Hi everyone. Welcome to our class for today and it's all about the middle sounds. When we say middle sounds, these are the sounds you hear at the middle of word. Let's practice sounding letters. Wand, wand. Hill, hill. Yell, yell. Rock, rock. Hot, hot. Now read it again. Wand. The middle sound of the word wand is A. Heel. The middle sound of the word heel is I. Yell. The middle sound of the word yell is E. Rock. Rock. The middle sound of the word rock is O. Nipa hot or hot. The middle sound of the word hot is U. Now, let's try to underline the letter of the correct middle sound of the following pictures. Hot, lock, ring, ring, nest, nest, ball, ball, doll, doll, king, king, pants, pants, bell, bell, lift, lift. Now, let's try to draw a line to connect its picture to the letter of its middle sound. Cow, well, bus, bus, fox, fox, belt, belt, milk, milk, mask, mask, fish, fish, duck, duck, wand, wand.